Yeah, I said I'm built for a tough in my new Ford truck. Got a four-wheel drive and I didn't pay much. Look how my big tires got me sitting way up. Man, I ain't gon' lie, I love my Ford truck. My Ford truck. Yeah, I got custom rims, leather seats and sunroof. Had to get 4 doors so the kids can ride too. I got a loud system to listen to my tunes. I said I love my Ford truck, I swear that I do. My Ford truck. My Ford truck. I love my Ford truck.